Outdoorsy weekend this weekend. We've had so much rain lately that now that the sun is finally back, we cannot wait to go get out and just explore and enjoy some time outside. I mentioned in one of my previous vlogs about Jessie and I going overseas on a one-way ticket to Europe and the UK in a couple of months, and how there's been so many things that we've wanted to do here that we have just kept putting off, or not having the time to do. So we wrote down a big list of all the things that we want to do, and each weekend we've been trying to tick off at least one of those things, and it's just been a lot of fun, and it gives us something to look forward to each weekend. But also it helps us sort of appreciate where we live a little bit more. We're very grateful and lucky to live in such a beautiful part of Australia that so many people travel here. Really appreciate how beautiful it is, but I think when you live here for so long, you kind of stop appreciating it as much. When you see it all the time, it's not quite the same. So what we've been trying to do as well is to visit these places and see it through a new set of eyes, as if it's our first time being here, and it's just been an absolutely wonderful way to truly have a lot more fun and genuinely appreciate where we live a little bit more. So our plan for this weekend is today we are going to a coastal town just near us. It's about a 15 minutes drive, and they have a lovely little village area with the most gorgeous shops and cafes as well. So we're going to go for coffee, have a look at the shops. I'm hoping to maybe find a couple of clothes that I can take to Europe with me. I feel like I'm having a little bit of like a style crisis. I think because I live in a coastal town compared to being more in the cities. Obviously the style is a little bit different, and then when we obviously go to England, it's going to be quite cold, so I'm not sure. I'm hoping that maybe I might find a couple of things that I like in the shops today. And then of course we're going to just go and sit at the beach because it is such a beautiful day. I'm hoping to do some coastal inspired watercolour painting, which I've never done before, so that's going to be a bit of fun. And then tomorrow we're going to a waterfall. I haven't been there in 4 years, which is actually the very first weekend that I moved to the Sunshine Coast. I'm also going to be making homemade pizzas. This is such a beautiful, light, simple recipe. I cannot wait to show you. It is so yum. So let's get ready and we'll go to the beach. About to make the pizza dough. Should be ready in a couple of hours, but I thought I'd tell you about the two different pizzas that I am making. So the first one is kind of like my go-to. I absolutely love this, and it's just a simple lemon and artichoke pizza with some olive oil, garlic and chili flakes. Tonight I am using normal cheese, but if I was making this just for myself, or just usually, I would use this dairy-free cheese. This is my absolute favorite dairy-free cheese because it actually melts and it doesn't taste like plastic. So this one's my favorite. The other pizza that I'm making is a cherry tomato and burrata pizza. I've made this sauce before and it is absolutely incredible. So I'll make sure to link that below because I found that on Instagram and it is amazing. So let's get stuck into it and make the bases.